Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to see removed friends on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile from the top left corner of the screen. On scrolling down, you will find the option of My Friends. Tap on it. Here you will find your contact list. Scroll down and see the full list to see who has been removed from your friend list. Snapchat does not provide a built-in feature to see a list of friends you have removed or deleted. Once you remove or unfriend someone on Snapchat, they are no longer listed in your friends list, and there is no readily available way to recover this information within the app. Snapchat prioritizes user privacy, and this includes not providing features that would allow you to see who has been removed as friends. If you're trying to re-add someone you've removed, you can search for their username or use their snap code to add them back. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.